All right, welcome to our data analysis class for tonight. So, ito yung dataset na gagamitin natin for today, no? I believe nakikita niyo na ba ang inyong nakikita niyo ba ang dataset sa inyo, no? So, let's try to observe first our dataset. Okay, so it has order ID. Meron siyang order ID sa pinakadulo, no? Order ID. Up to ilan siya? 68 rows lang. Oo, konti lang yung data natin. Order date, so 2014, medyo luma na siya, no? Pero buong December siya. Okay? So meron din siyang customer ID, customer name, alright? Address, city, Las Vegas, New York, yung state, or may mga ano siya, no? Meron siyang mga state codes, zip code, postal code, naka 999, country, buong USA, salesperson, may mga salesperson tayo, region, west, east, west, north. Meron tayong mga ship date, pero yung mga ship date natin may mga missing values. May ginawa pala ako dito sa shift date, no? So nilagay natin dito, ship day. So baguhin natin to, no? Ship day. Yan. May ship day, shipper name. Meron din siyang mga missing values. Ganyan naman kasi yung data natin, ano? Hindi lahat ng data natin clean. So this is a bit dirty. Ship address, yung kung saan pupunta, ship city, ship state, USA. Check o payment type. Alright, so may mga missing values din siya, no? Product name, and then category, beverages, unit price, quantity, revenue, shipping fee. Alright, so very vital dito is yung product, category, unit price. Dapat walang missing value yan. Okay, so pag may mga missing value yung unit price natin, magkakaroon tayo ng problema. Ano? So we need to transform those. And then quantity, ayan. Okay. Wala din yung product, no? Okay. So may mga missing values talaga tayo. Okay. So are we at the same page? Same page ba tayo?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, okay. Yeah. Thank you very much for responding. Anong gagawin natin dito sa mga missing values na to? So we can permutate this one. Pwede natin lagyan ng values. Okay. So, pwede natin siyang i-filter, then palitan natin yung mga blanks. So, ang suggestion natin is to filter those missing values. So, saan natin siya sisimulan? Dito sa payment type. So, I will filter the blanks. So, meron siyang drop-down menu dito. It's already activated for us. If in case hindi nyo alam kung paano to i-activate, dito lang siya sa part ng sa home ribbon natin. Tapos meron kayo makikitang sort and filter sa upper right. Ayan. So, pwede niyo siyang i-activate by clicking the filter or Control-Shift-L, or you can just select this filter. Okay, in that case, we will not deactivate this one kasi we will be needing to filter the blanks. So, filter na natin yung mga blanks. So, I will unselect all and then select only blanks. Ayan. Kasi what do we need to permutate this one? So, sobrang konti na lang kasi ng dataset natin. Hindi natin afford na mag-delete ng buong row. So, masasayang yung iba nating data. So, I think ang pwede natin gawin dito is to put a value which is let's say payment type unspecified or not specified. Ayan. So we can just double click and double click, or we can just drag down. Ayan. So we have how many? We have 19. So instead na blocks na siya, naging na siyang not specified. Okay? So if you select all, lalabas na yung mga non-specified natin. Ayan, so hindi na siya sobrang missing values, no? Meron na tayong mga non-specified. So sa product name dito, ganun din gawin natin. Unselect natin lahat and then pinakadulo yung blanks. Then for the product name, let's say sabihin natin product is unspecified din or unknown product, unknown. Ayan. Oop. Wag chocolate. Drag down natin siya. So unknown. So mawawalan tayo ng blanks. Magiging siyang unknown. Okay? So select all natin ulit para makita natin yung mga unknown. And then category, ganun din. Blanks. Unknown. Unknown category. And then for the price, okay, so for the unit price of the unknown, so for the blanks, let's put the unit price around $0 or no. Yan, $0 lang. Okay. Get back. For the quantity, blank. Quantity unknown, so 0 lang din. Hindi natin alam kung ano yung mga yan. Safe kasi nasabihing 0, no? Very, very safe. Para lang hindi natin mabura. Kasi ang pwede natin gawin dyan, tanggalin na lang siya. Pero if we are not scarce with data, so pwede natin siyang burahin. So let's look at our data if everything's filled out. There's no more missing values. How about this one? Sa date. No? Sa date, ang suggestion ko sa date, pwede tayong maglagay dito ng, so filter natin yan. Okay. So for the blanks, for the date, pwede nating sabihin dito na the last ano na lang of the month. The last date of the December. It's 31. So pwede tayong magsabi na lang dito ng 31-12, which is December din, and 2014. Bakit natin ginawang last day? Kasi parang lahat ng mga unknown nilagay natin sa last day. Dinefault natin siya sa last day. Kasi pasok pa rin naman siya sa monthly sales, which is December. Okay? So, binago lang niya, ginawa niya lang Wednesday. Meron pa pala tayong problema dito, which is a shipper name. No? Okay. Naka-format pala siya na 12. Okay, ayusin natin to. Magkaroon tayo ng problema dito. Sa lahat ng, hindi, okay naman na eh. May 30, ito, 31. Okay naman na, nare-recognize din naman pala eh. Di okay lang. Sige. Kasi usually, ang sinusunod na pattern is yung sa computer natin which is usually yung pattern ng date sa computer natin. Nauuna yung day bago month. Okay? So next is yung company, unknown company, lalagay natin dito, no? So for the blanks, unknown shipper. So unknown shipper. Ayan. Okay. Meron pa ba tayong kulang? Let's double check. Wala na yata. So basic cleaning lang yung ginawa natin. We permutate the values so that it's not super missing. Okay. Alright, custom. This is custom. Ayusin lang natin tong ibang values nasa gilid. So I think kailangan ko lang siyang ayusin in terms of center to right. Okay. Anyway, alam ko na. Give natin siyang float. Sorry, dinirekta ko na lang dito, no? Pero actually, wala naman sense kung lalagyan natin ng decimal place. Kasi ganun din naman yun. It's still the same value. You can follow this one, yung lalagyan ko ng decimal place or not. It's optional. Hindi naman siya kailangan talaga na ganun. I'm just wondering why is it going like that. But doesn't matter kasi custom pa rin naman yung data type niya dun sa taas. Sa home ribbon natin, custom pa rin naman. So, doesn't matter. Okay. Meron na tayong mga guided sheets dito sa baba natin. So, the same drill that we did last time, what we're going to do here on our data is we're going to convert this one into a table. So what I want to do here is to go to the leftmost part of the data set, which is also the header, yan, order ID. Select that. And then on my keyboard, Control Shift down. So I will select all of the column in a row. Okay. All of the column, and then another Control Shift again to pressing the right button. So then we will want to convert this one. Okay. Look closely on my mouse. I will put my mouse on the upper left and select insert, then table. Okay. Table. All right. Or Control T. And then we will be asked with this dialog box. We will just select OK. And then let's rename our table on the upper left. Rename natin raw table. Okay. So our table is now the raw table. Okay, as you can see, we have here a dashboard already prepared for us. So we will put everything here later. All right. So now, we will try to provide a value for the product. So what are the products which the bestseller product? Yun yung una natin tignan, yung bestseller product. Okay. So by the way, sa mga bagong pasok, ito yung dataset na gamit natin. Okay, so bestseller product. So we will create a pivot table to get the bestseller product. So just place or select anything on the table that we just created, and then go and put your mouse on the upper left and then select insert and then choose pivot table. So we will use existing worksheet, and then let's go to the product sheet on the bottom part or bottom left of our Excel. Okay, so we will try to select this one, this location, the A1, and then press OK. Do you want to replace it? Yes. May mga nakalagay pala, no? So, palitan na natin. Okay, so we want to understand the product. Okay, so first and foremost, what we're going to select here is the rows. Okay, so we will be selecting the
Sir,
product.
excuse me po.
Product. Probably
Sir,
product name.
nag-i-invalid po kapag po i-insert sa product.
Ha? Invalid? What's invalid?
Tinatry ko po siya. Let's say, nag-create po ako ng pivot table to existing worksheet and then upon selecting yung location po.
Nag-invalid. So ganito na lang, ilagay mo na lang yung pivot table or burahin mo muna yon tapos bago mo ilagay yung pivot table. Sa akin, umokay naman eh.
Sige po, sir.
Magal na lang siguro. Alright? So I will choose product name. Okay, so lalabas lahat ng product natin. Very good. And then I will select for the bestseller. So I will be using quantity, revenue, shipping, fee, price, category. Tignan ko yung raw data muna. Order date. Pwede din ganun, order date. So order date na lang yung gamitin natin. So count yun, ano? Count. So order date. Where's that? Ayan. Order ID. Pwede ring order ID, pwede ring order date. So let's use order date na lang. Okay, for our best seller, we will try to have here the best seller product for the whole December. Okay, so we will select everything on our pivot table and then go to the upper left and choose insert ribbon. And then insert, let's say insert this bar chart, clustered bar chart. All right. Okay. We want to use this one. So there are a lot of unknowns, right? So there's a lot of unknown products. So what we can do here is possibly we would try to let's just okay. Yun lumabas sa data natin eh. Wala tayong magagawa, unknown. So let's sort this out. So I will click anything here in the count of order date and then right click and then sort from largest to smallest. Or rather, smallest to largest. Iba pala yung itsura niya pag ganito. Okay, so it has given us idea that coffee is and chocolate is the most ordered product. Maybe this unknown product has an element of coffee and chocolate. That's why it's there. Or probably it's a little bit combined with everything. That's why dumami siya. But that's okay. That's the output of our data set. Eh. We cannot try to lie on it, or we will not lie on our data. So what we want to do here is just to provide some modifications that later kasi we will be using it in our dashboard. So I'm going to close the pivot chart field and then click again to the chart, double click, and we will see the format area chart. So in here, I wanted to select the bar. Okay, so you can see it's selected. Then click on the series option on our format data series. And I will decrease the gap width so that the bar will have a narrow gap. Ayan, medyo narrow yung gap niya. And then we will try to clean it up with the clutters. So on the middle part, top middle part, as you can see, fill buttons, I will click on it and then hide all the buttons. And then I will also delete this total. And then I will click on the plot area and select the grid lines. I will remove the grid lines now. Delete the grid lines. Okay, so you have here those products. I can also increase by going to the home ribbon. I can increase this text. Okay, a little increase, something like that. So it is very evident that we see our products. I will also remove the chart title because you don't need that later. Okay, so we have numbers here. So I'm going to also remove this part, these numbers, the bottom part, but I'm going to add the data labels. So the reason why I add the data labels on each bar because the value naman is small. Hindi naman siya sobrang dami. No? It's just from 1 to 9. That's why tinanggal ko na yung nasa baba and nilagay ko na lang yung value niya dito sa gilid. Yan yung reason nung pag-modify ko dun sa chart na yan. Ayan. Okay. Kasi yung value niya naman 0 to 9 lang. So, ang pinapakita lang nito is the product bestsellers. Okay, the bestseller products. I can actually filter the unknown. So, in this part, yung auto sort, dito sa ano natin, row labels, pwede kong tanggalin yung unknown para hindi siya magulo. Ayan, so chocolate na agad yung nakalagay. Pwedeng ganun, ano, para hindi masyadong magulo sa report. Okay, so the next one, we will try to solve for the category. So we will create a pivot table for the category. So going back to the data, we will select the data sheet on the lower left part of our Excel. Then anywhere here, I will select. And then at the top part, again, we'll look at the insert ribbon and then pivot table. And then choose existing worksheet. Then go to category sheet and then select here at A1. Very ano siya, no? Very congruent siya or orthogonal. Ibig sabihin, kung ano yung ginawa ko sa product, ganun din yung ginagawa ko dito sa category. So, papalitan lang naman natin siya. Instead na product, we will use category. Okay. So, as you can see, ang dami ring category, no? And then, we will try to provide the bestseller category. So we will try to use again the order date. Okay. And then take note that is count, no? Count because order date is a data type. That's why it's not sum. It's count. So this is for the bestseller category. Okay. In the bestseller category, as you can see here, it's already the beverage, no? So next is we're going to create a chart. So insert a chart and then let's use this kind of chart. As you can see, there is also unknown, so we can filter it out here. So we will unselect unknown. Ayan. And then sort it out. from largest to smallest. Ayan. So let's have a little bit of ano. Ayan. Gawin natin, try natin i-increase pa siya. Okay, sige, ganyan. And then we will try to loose these buttons on the design, or sorry, pivot analyze. So we will try to hide again every button, and then let's make it a little bit narrow the gap. Okay, is that the farthest that we can do? Okay, 0 is not good. So let's use 10. 10, probably 10 is enough. So I'm going to remove also the name of the chart, and then also this one, the total, and then also the grid lines. And then we can we leave it like this one? This is okay already. Okay, so I think this one's much more cleaner. So it should be a little bit bigger like this, so that all of the words are going to fit below. Okay, so we have the categories. So we have the products, and then we have the categories. Sales trend. Okay, so sales trend, guess what? We're going to use line chart there. For the sales trend, let's go back to data and click anywhere on the table we have, and then insert again a pivot table to the existing worksheet to the sales trend. Then, okay, sorry, I missed a step there. Go to A1 and then okay. Here I will use the order date, and then I will use the products. So it will be an account basis as well. No, account basis. Pero hindi pala, no? Let's use pala is the let me just look at this. It's not the count. It's the revenue, We're going to use the revenue. Okay. So let's go to sales trend, and we will replace this one using the revenue. Then let's try to chart this one. Insert line chart. Ayan. So we have something like this. No? But let's say we wanted to change the groupings into days. Can we do that? Okay. So at the first or the beginning of the month, there is an increase of sales. That is what is this talking about. So let's just try to change the design of this one. Design. Let's go to the design on our ribbon. Upper part in the middle, let's choose design. And what's the best design? Can we use this with shadow? This one or this one? Let me just use the shadow. Okay, so shadow. So I will remove the buttons as usual. hide all the buttons, the total. You don't need that. A total again here. And then the grid lines. Okay. Let's adjust. Something like this. Palitan natin ulit yung design. Parang hindi ko gusto to. So, ito na lang. Ito na lang. Okay. Okay, so meron na tayong sales trend. Sales per city. In this one, sa sales per city, gagawa tayo ng kakaiba. Hindi tayo magma-map chart. Gagawa tayo ng kakaiba dito. No? So, let me just, again, create a pivot table from the data. And then insert pivot table. So, we will do existing worksheet again. And then sales per city. Sorry. I missed a move there. Ito. A1 muna pala. Then okay. So here, I want to use sales per city. Ayan. So I have here cities. And I also want to have a product. Product for the columns. Where's that? Product name. Something like this. Ang dami, no? Okay. Then let's have revenue. Okay, revenue for the values. Is that better? Is that better? Okay, I think before we do this one, let's try to review the products. What is the best top 10 products here? So we have chocolate, coffee, dried plums, curry sauce, clam chowder, chocolate biscuit mix, green tea, beer, crab meat. Okay. All right. Okay. So there will be missing values, right? Yeah, I think there will be missing values. Even kung gamitin ko yung yung top 10, magkaka-missing values siya. Kasi sa may mga lugar na wala eh. But what I think I need to do here is I'm just going to right click and then choose pivot table option. If the cell shows empty, I will choose 0. Okay, okay. So something like this. All right, so there will be no missing values. Okay, I like that. I like that. And then let's try to filter this one with the with just 5, probably 5. Products. I think products. For the descending order, I want to sum for the revenue. Step path. No. I'm going to filter based on labels. So descending order, product name, sum revenue. Okay. But I'm going to filter only the top 10. Okay, something like this. Did you follow? Naka-follow ba?
Hindi po sir, dun po sa part na
Hello?
sinort po into yung sa top 10. Doon po ako hindi
Top
nakasunod.
10? Okay.
Yes po.
So what I did here, what I did there is yung row level hindi ko pinakailaman kasi yung label which is this one, itong row label na to, ito ang pinag-uusapan niya yung mga city. So hindi yan yung gusto kong isort. Ang gusto kong isort is yung mga products. So dito ako sa column label. So i-click niyo dito sa column label. Okay, sa column label, i-click niyo yan. Tapos i-merge sort niyo muna siya. Okay? Again, ulitin natin. Dito sa column label kasi it talks about the products. Tapos merge sort options. Okay? Ang keyword kaya siya column labels, kaya yung products yung naisip ko. Kasi columns yung products, di ba? As you can see sa pivot table, nakalagay siya sa columns. So, sinort ko lang siya by descending order. And ang pinili ko hindi yung product name kasi pag product name yung ginamit ko, alphabetical order yung gagamitin niyang pang-sort, which is I don't like. Ang gusto ko yung sum revenue, which is depending dun sa kita. Yung kita ng product per city. Okay? Sum revenue. So okay, so masasort muna yan. Next, yung second stage, i-click ulit dito sa column labels, tas value filters. May kita ninyo dyan, merong equals, do not equal, greater than. There are lots of logical options here. Pero ang pinili ko top 10. Ibig sabihin kasi ng top 10 based on revenue siya. No? Okay. So as you can see dito
Okay
sa
na po,
product,
sir.
chocolate, coffee, dried plums, and yeah, sales per city. Okay. So, isa pang step na gagawin natin dito, I will select this one. I will select. I will actually select everything like this. Tapos try ko siyang i-copy dito sa baba. Anywhere, lagay ko dito. Okay. Oh, I see the problem, no? Lagi siyang static. Let me just Control Z undo. What I need to do here is to copy the whole pivot table rather. So, paste natin siya dyan. So this is the whole pivot table, I guess. Okay. Let me just test it here out. Test ko lang muna siya dito. Then, okay, pivot table pa din siya. Yeah. So this is gonna work. All right, so next step natin, I'm going to highlight everything. I'm sorry for that, I just tested something. Highlight everything, something like this or this. Then I'm going to select conditional formatting at the middle part, top middle. Then data bars. So I will choose this one or this one or whatever data bar you wanted to use. Okay. So let me use this one. Then what else can we update with this one? Conditional formatting. Second is data bars. More rules. So if this format only cells that contain, format only top, bottom, rank, format only values that are above and above range. use formula cells to format based on their value. So the minimum is the lowest value and the highest value. So the value can be show data bar, border, color, solid field. Again. More rows. 2 to 3 color scale. Let's have 2 color scale. Ayun. Lowest value. A number. Let's use number. So the value of the max is 52,000. So I guess let's have here. For this example, we'll not use highest or lowest. Let's use a discrete value. No? So I'm going to use 60,000, which is the maximum value, and then 0 will be the lowest value. Let's try this one. Let's just try. Okay. Doesn't look good for the color. Mhm. It's the lowest value. Let me just check. Ayun. Pero ba't niya kinulayan yung buong data bar? Kainis naman yun. Color scale. Wait lang. I-clear ko muna, no? Clear selected cells. Ayan. Clear ko muna, ulitin ko. Pangitan ako dun sa kulay na. Ito, maganda yata yung green. Pero hindi siya magmamatch dun sa color pala eh. The data bar, to color scale, number, lowest na lang talaga. Am I missing out something? Preview. Ayan. Medyo okay na siya. Medyo okay na siya. Paano kapag tinanggal natin yung kanyang values? Ayan. So, tinanggal natin yung values niya, no? Okay. Then, pivot table options. Show grand total for columns. Ayoko yung grand total ng columns dito sa baba. Ganyan lang yung gusto ko. Ano pa ba? So grand total for rows. Okay lang yan. Use custom list when sorting. Display, show, expand, collapse button. Ayan. Revenue. Okay. Let's just stick with this one. I don't know, meron siya ditong space. Ayan, okay na yan. Sales per city. Now, let's try to have another one. Let's try to have values here. Okay. So, kailangan lang natin siyang ganito yan. Hopefully, this works later. So I'm just getting the equal values on the left side. And then, okay, highlight all of this and then go to insert and then sparklines or sparklines yan, then line. Okay. So use this part. Ayan. So let's use this. Oh, wait. Then lumabas na. Data range. Location range. Okay. What ito hindi? Ayaw. Wait lang. Kaya ito. Hmm. It's a little bit weird. I see, I see. Wait lang, wait lang. Mas better pala kapag ganito yung ginawa ko. So, insert sparklines data range. Ito. Yan. Then, location range for the songs. This. Okay. Not valid, right? Ayan. Ayan. Okay. So we have here let's have another gray. Let's change this one into gray. Ayan. Tapos highlight natin sila. Tapos sa sparkline, highest point and then lowest point. Ang daming low point eh. So high point na lang tsaka last point. Ayan, so we have here this one. Okay, so let's build now our dashboard. So meron na tayong product, category, sales trend, sales per seat. Okay, so let's build our dashboard. So the same drill, we're going to insert a shape, which is this one, rectangle rounded corner. Okay, let's choose this. Let's create. Okay. And for the shape format, shape fill will be automatic white. And then for the shape outline, we will have no outline. For the shape effect, we will have, what's better? Shadow. What kind of shadow can we use here? Let's use this one. Let's try to change the color of, okay, pwede na siguro yan, ano? Kita naman eh. Sige, kita naman. So what we can do here is to adjust this yellow ball here. Adjust natin siya ng konti, something like this. Ayan. Tapos, let's build our dashboard. Again, kailangan natin siyang lagyan ng value dito. Kunyari, start tayo sa setting. So, you cannot see anything there because it's color white. So, let's change this to automatic. Okay, so setting. Okay, something like that. Let's insert na lang an icon. Let's say setting. Insert. So we have here this one. Just i-adjust natin tong setting natin by putting spaces and then adjusting this one. Okay. And then we will try to increase the font size. So control, shift, greater than. So yung greater than malapit siya sa letter M, tsaka less than malapit siya sa letter M ng keyboard natin. Ayan, so lagyan natin siya ng setting, something like that. Kasi dyan natin lalagay, wait, sorry. Gawin natin, i-click natin yung icon and then click natin using shift button, click natin yung icon natin, tsaka i-click natin yung shape natin while pressing shift. Something like this. So dalawa silang selected. And then right click, group. So i-group natin. Para pagka ginalaw natin siya, di ba? Hindi na siya hindi na siya mahihiwalay. Yan. So control D to duplicate. Control D to duplicate. Yan, i-duplicate natin. So first, gawa tayo dito ng setting. Ayan, setting natin. Tapos ito, lagyan natin dito sa taas for the value. Oops, nagkaroon tayo ng problema there. Na ano din siya. So lakayan na lang natin. Pero tanggalin na natin to kasi hindi naman yan settings eh. So I think lagyan na lang natin dito icon. Insert icon. uh, time. Ito, insert. So time nila yung gamitin natin sa kanya. Tapos, adjust ng konti. Tapos ito, gawin natin siya medyo malaki. Ay. So, lalagay natin dito is author, yung pangalan ninyo, no? Then, updates. Update 12, 17, 2022. Okay. So, adjust natin ng konti ito. So, adjust din natin ito ng konti. Parang tumba yung setting natin. Right. Okay. Adjust natin ng konti. Ay, group natin. Magkano naman siya. Adjust natin ng konti para makita yung shadow. So, okay. Yung setting natin, medyo palitin natin ng konting ganito. Ito ba naman siya. Yeah. Yan. So, let's try to create a duplicate. Ito dito sa pinakagitna. So, lalagay natin dito yung time settings natin. So, dito yung trend. Tapos dito dito natin lalagay yung pinaka-table natin. Pwede rin natin itong i-adjust ng ganito. Para dito yung table natin pala. No? Pwede. Okay. So, palitin muna natin yan. Yung product dito sa gilid. So, duplicate again. Control D for duplicate. Gawin natin siya ng ganyan. Medyo lito na lang natin to ng konti. Yan. Of course, let's try to duplicate this one. Bigyan natin siya ng mga ganyan. Possible for later use. Ayan. So, adjust na lang natin dito. Dumalik. Okay. So, lagay muna natin tong sales per city natin. Yan. Oops. Hindi kasya. Adjust natin. Format picture. Lagyan na siyang picture. Lagyan na lang siyang picture, no? Wait, ba't siya naging picture? Hindi, nilagay ko kasi siya dyan eh. So, hindi na siya magiging dynamic. Anyway, let me just... Ito. Dito ko siya lalagay. Medyo tricky to, no? Dito nagkakaroon ng tinatawag na medyo nagkakaroon ng medyo limitation si Excel. So, ini-imitate ko kasi dito yung pwedeng possible na mangyari sa ano. Hmm. Hindi siya masyadong fit. Anyway, sige, hayaan na lang natin muna siya dyan. Uy, ano to? Kasya kaya siya dito sa gitna. Sige, lipat na lang natin. Wait, no. We need the power of adjusting. Okay. So what we did there is the power of adjusting. For the sake that it will still be dynamic. Oop, what's this? Sales trend. Copy natin yung sales trend. Lagyan natin siya dito. Okay. This one. Category. Category. Sales per city, product to product. Ito siya dito sa gilid. Power of adjusting, no? Chocolate. Ayan, parang kitang-kita. We have no line. Ayoko ng line na yan kasi nakikita yung line. Pangit yun. Pati din to, tatanggalin din natin yung line niya. Then, the power of adjusting. Let's remove this one. Delete. Yan na, diba? The power of adjusting. In-adjust lang natin, ano. Para dumikit. Okay. Next is ito, medyo lagyan natin ng konting space. Something like that. And ayan. Medyo may space siya na konti. And then, ano pa? Duplicate natin to. Last one is ayan. Lastly, yun natin to. Category. Copy the category and then paste it dito sa baba. Okay. That's the trick. Pinaliitan ko lang siya, no, para magkasya yung pinalitan ko yung text sa baba para magkasya. All right, then next is I think I want to have one more data. Gusto ko lang magkaroon siya ng space doon. Siguro dito sa ang tawag doon? Payment type. Ilan ba ang payment type natin? Tatlo lang. So maganda yung donut chart. Ayan. So I think gawa tayo ng pivot table. Last na lang. So anywhere here and then insert a pivot table. So in this case, bago siya. No? So new worksheet. Tapos pangalanan natin siyang tawag dito, purchase type. Tama ba? Purchase type. Payment type pala. Sorry. Payment type. So for the payment type, we're going to use payment type, of course, as our row. And then let's use the order date para count lang siya. Then we will try to filter out not specified. Ayan. Okay. Para tatlo lang siya. And then we will try to use this one and insert donut chart. Okay, so we will remove this one. Yung hide natin to. Pati total, tanggalin na natin. And then I will click here on this graphic, close the pivot field, and then ito sa series option, medyo tabaan natin yung donut chart natin. Ayan. And then ito, i-move natin siya sa bottom. And then lagyan natin siya ng label. Call out. And then we're done with it. And then let's just copy. And then paste it out here in our dashboard. Before that pala, let's create another duplicate of this one. Just lagay natin dito. Sa pinakababa. A little bit, something like this. Litan natin to. Then paste natin dito ang ating donut chart. Subcolor. So ang ating donut chart, let's copy and then paste here in our dashboard around here. Gusto lang natin ng konti. Tapos let's no line. Ayoko ng line. Yan. Ito din, no line din pala. Forgot. Para walang line, ayan, medyo malinis. Malinis siya, no, pag no line. Okay, now medyo madami pang ayusin, pero lagyan na naman natin ng context. So into, instead na setting, baguhin natin. Ano to? Sales trend. So mas maraming bumibili ng first week of December with regards to these products. Okay. The products. Most ordered product. Ayan. Most ordered products. Medyo hindi natin siya palitin. Most ordered products. Ito naman, most ordered category. Most ordered category. Ayan. So nagkaroon na siya ng context. And then ito, payment type. Payment type. Ito payment type. Ano pa? Okay. Then, depende same color, no? Light blue ba to? Something like this. Yun. So, yan. Ay, hindi. Yan. Okay na. Okay. Then, slicers. Last na lang natin is slicers. So, we will create a slicer in anywhere here. So, I'm going to select this pivot table and then insert slicers. Gusto ko per city. City. And then product. Pag binagay ko yung product, liliit siya. So, wag yung product. Per region. Pwede per region. Pwede din siyang per category, per quantity. Customer name. Ito, customer name. Try natin yung customer name. So, meron tayo dito, tatlong pivot table. Okay, so in our slicer, let's try to have a connection. Check lang natin lahat yan. Okay. Sa region, ganun din. report connection, check lang din natin lahat. Customer name, ganun din. Report connection, check lang din natin lahat. Ayan. And then we will try to copy this tree. Copy and then paste it to the dashboard. Then i-adjust na lang natin siya dito. So per city. Oops. I think something's wrong with this one. Para siyang umano. Ayun. Ang nangyari. Bigla siyang umadjust. Clear natin itong 2 columns, yung slicer natin. 2 columns. Region. Two columns na lang din natin para lumiyat. And then, lastly, so then, for company. Two columns na lang din natin siya. Slicer, 2 columns. Medyo madami siya, so scroll na lang natin. So we can scroll like this. Okay. So I think ito, baguhin natin to. So ang nakikita ko dito, the revenue, the total revenue, pala tayong sales, no? Hindi nakikita yung sales natin. Pero I think the total revenue here is going to be 70,200. So 70K. Total. Yan. Pwede natin balik ta rin to para maiba naman. Total revenue is 70. Okay, ayan. Total revenue, 70K. Tapos sunod, most ordered product, bestseller. Bestseller. Bestseller is chocolates. Yan. Ano pa? Most ordered category beverage. So best, best category. Product. Best seller category is bev beverages. At saka, ano pa? Payment, payment, mas maraming check. Ay, hindi. City. Lagyan natin ng city. Sige, lagyan pa natin ng isa pa na KPI. Ano ang highest city? New York. No, New York. City with most sales. New York. New York. Tapos, ano pa? First week. Seasonality. Pwede natin sabihin. First week. First week can be considered the seasonality, no? Bakit? Kasi ang daming sales nung first week eh. Na din pababa ng pababa siya. Pababa yung trend. First week. Sales, seasonality sales. Maisip lang natin. Seasonality sales. Ayan. So we created our chart. Let's check. Ayan. Ba? Milwaukee, Los Angeles. Nag-a-adjust nga lang siya, no? Yun lang yung problema sa kanya, no? Nag-a-adjust siya. Adjust natin ang konti ito. Ayan. Nag-a-adjust talaga eh. Ma-adjust kasi itong ano, yung gitna natin. Kaya ganun. Sumasabog yung design. Pero pagka cleaner natin, medyo okay na siya. Okay. Ay, wait. Kaya siya sumasabog because of this. Teka. I see. Ito, nagkamali ako dito sa part na to. Parang nag-group ko siya. Ungroup ko nga. Yun. Tanong pala eh. Ulitin natin. Ungroup. Kaya pala eh. Wala siya nasabog. Group. Yan. Yan na. Meron na tayong chart. Go to adjust yun. Okay. Company L. Wala masyado. Okay. Adjust na lang natin. All right, so we created another dashboard. Again, so konti na lang adjust na gagawin natin para medyo may gaps. So in this one, in this example, we elicited the pivot table. Nilagyan natin siya ng pivot table with conditional, with conditionals and with sparklines. So tatlo yung ginamit natin style dito. We have yung pinakagitna yung parang bago natin dito na ginamit sa dashboarding natin, which is this pivot table. No? Na merong sparklines, tsaka meron siyang conditional data label or data bar. No? Conditional formatting data bar. Yeah. Okay. Any questions with our dashboard? It's already 8:54. No, pwede natin sabihin dito, Christmas product sales. May relationship siya sa Christmas na kasi December siya. Medyo i-adjust lang natin para medyo pantay. Yeah. Okay na. Our dashboard is already good. Good to go. Pwede na kaagad tong portfolio. Sales trend settings. Little bit adjustment. Yan. Okay. Ayan. Save. Let's save this. Save natin siya. Ayan. Okay, very good. Itong first week sales. Medyo lakihan natin ng konti. First week. Ayan, very good. Okay, nagawa nyo ba yung dashboard?
Yes po, sir. Na-follow po yung steps. Pero yung mismong paglalapat na po mismo dun sa dashboard. So, yun na lang po.
Okay.
Yung paano po siya ipit.
Yan na lang. It's more of just adjusting lang naman na yan. Pagka nakuha nyo na yung mga analysis dito sa mga words na to, yan. Ilalapat nyo na lang siya, di ba? It's more of adjusting lang. So it will take time for you to get used to in arranging your dashboards. Okay, in the end of the day, you will create a dashboard, something like this.
So, sir, bali need po talaga na parang may shape siya, parang may pinaka-background siya para po yung mismong mga graphs is hindi po gumalaw if parang pinaprocess na po siya using slicers kapag doon po sa mismong dashboard.
Oo, katulad niyan. Mag-auto-adjust naman siya talaga eh. Yun nga lang ito, nawawala yung kulay sa gitna. Kasi nag-adjust yung pivot table. Usually kasi yung technique na to, yung ginagawa kong technique na to dito sa sa bandang gitna, mas flawless to pag sa Power BI eh. Pinakita ko lang sa inyo yung kakaiba para hindi pa ulit-ulit. May bago tayong ginagawa every time na nagda-dashboard series tayo. So although hindi siya ganun ka-perfect kasi pag kunyari pinili ko yung Miami, no? So nababasag yung part na to. Ito nakita niyo sa gitna. Sorry. Kita niyo yung sa gitna, 'di ba? Parang nawawalan siya ng kulay. Itong part na to. Ayan, nawawala yan. Yun lang naman.
Sir, sa industry po, usually po is ganyan po yung mga KPIs talaga namin na measure.
Depende. Magbibigay sila ng guidelines eh. Kasi ito parang ad hoc yung ginagawa natin dito. Ibig sabihin, free-flowing in our own imagination. Sa industry, nagbibigay sila ng guidelines naman in fairness. Kung ano yung gusto nilang makita sa dashboard. So, for example, sasabihin nila sa'yo, I wanted your dashboard to give me any idea regarding sales. Okay, so yung KPI na nakikita ninyo sa taas, yun yung sinasalamin na summary. Sinasalamin na summary kung ano yung nakikita natin dito sa baba. Like for example, itong most ordered category, yung beverages. So for our eyes to easily see, o nga no, beverages yung bestseller category. Ayun, sinasummarize muna ng taas, tapos bigger picture yung nasa gitna, and then small granules yung iba na pababa na siya. Iba-iba tayo ng style eh. Minsan, depende talaga sa gumagawa ng dashboard. So in time, nade-develop naman yung yung creativity natin. So darating ang panahon na mas gagaling pa kayo kaysa sa akin in terms of pag-create ng dashboard. It's just by practice para talaga lumawak yung analytical style ninyo when it comes to dashboard. Pero still, yung element pa rin ng KPI kailangan nandun, which is nandun sa taas yung mga cards natin. Ang tawag natin kasi dito sa mga nasa taas natin, cards. Pag sa Power BI na tayo, tinatawag na yan na cards, yung mga KPI sa taas. Tapos, itong nakikita ninyong sa gitna, sa Power BI, table yan. So, nire-relate ko lang yan dun sa Power BI kasi papunta na tayo dun. Doon na tayo mag-dashboard sa Power BI. It's such that ito kasing Excel is our way to express our dashboard in a very, very simple manner. Wala masyadong complication muna. Kasi pag pumunta na tayo sa Power BI, medyo ibang mundo yon. Unlike dito sa Excel, medyo kakaibang mundo na siya. So, hindi siya may mga aayusin pa tayo. Kasi ang fina-follow ng process ni Power BI is extract, transform, and load. Dito kasi sa Excel, wala siyang fina-follow na pattern na extract, transform, tsaka load. Ano lang siya, it's more of like spreadsheet, tapos may chart, tapos bahala kang mag-create ng dashboard mo. Pero hindi talaga ginawa si Excel for dashboarding. It's such that inaaral natin yung konsepto ng dashboarding muna sa Excel bago tayo lumipat sa iba pang mga powerful platforms such as Tableau, Power BI, even Python. Python ang ginagamit ni Python is Streamlit. Tapos meron din tinatawag na QLick. So ang ginagawa lang natin dito talaga sa Excel is sinasanay natin yung sarili natin in creating a dashboard para in preparation dun sa mga mas higher level of business intelligence softwares. So yung mga business intelligence softwares na yun is Power BI, Tableau. Yun yung mas ginagamit sa trabaho. Ako mas ginagamit ko sa trabaho Power BI eh. Ang Excel, ginagamit ko ang Excel in exploration. More on blueprinting. Kunyari, gusto ko lang mabilis lang, on the go. Gusto ko lang ma-analyze yung data on the go. I use Excel. Pero pag production na siya, ibig sabihin, gagamitin mo na siya sa boss, ipoproduce mo na siya talaga eh. Power BI ka na, hindi ka na pwedeng mag-Excel. Saan ko ginagamit yung Excel? Magke-create ako ng mga charts tapos ilalagay ko sa PowerPoint. Much better yun. Yun yung workflow ng Excel. Pag gagawa ko ng report sa PowerPoint ko ilalagay, Excel pwede na. Pero kung gagawa ako ng dashboard na, let's say, i-embed yun sa isang website, Power BI yung gagamitin ko. Kasi ano siya, embeddable siya. Ibig sabihin, pag na-design mo na yung dashboard mo, pwede siyang i-wrap up tapos ilagay sa isang website na pwedeng ma-view ng lahat. So, across all the boards. Parang ganon. So i-share mo siya. dun sa data analytics course ng Google, of course, pagkatapos mong i-extract, transform, and load yung data, and i-visualize siya, kailangan mo siyang i-share. So possibly yung dashboard na create mo para sa marketing people, so create ka ng dashboard sa performance ng mga tao dun sa marketing. Okay? Katulad ako, sa trabaho ko, magke-create ako ng dashboard. Pag nakuha ko na yung lahat ng data ng mga competitors ko, yun kasi yung trabaho ko sa isa kong data analyst job eh. Lahat ng data ng mga competitors, kailangan kong i-provide yung dashboard para ma-analyze ng mga tao sino ba yung mas mura na price range. Tayo ba or yung iba pang company? So we will try to adjust or provide a data-driven decision kung itataas ba natin yung presyo natin or ibababa natin yung presyo natin. Parang ganon.
Tas next week po, sir, is more on Power BI na po tayo. Tama po ba?
Mm-hmm. Ano yung ulit yung question?
Kung next week po, Power BI na po
Yung
yung gagamitin natin.
Oo, nilagay ko kasi sa schedule natin next week purely Power BI lahat. Kasi ayokong ihalo yung ibang topic sa Power BI. Gusto ko 1 week lang siyang Power BI lang.
Same
Ganun siya.
schedule po, sir. Same schedule po. 7
Same.
to 9 din po.
Yes, 7 to 9 pa rin tayo. Kasi I don't know kung okay lang ba sa inyo umaga.
Ako, sir, personally,
Ayoko lang
prefer ko po yung gabi rin kasi may work din po.
gabi rin.
Ayun.
Oo, tama. Sa gabi na lang. Gabi na lang. Tama naman yan. Gabi. Tama, gabi na lang. Wala namang pagbabago eh. Hindi ko babaguhin yung kahit na wala na ako nung pasok sa isa kong trabaho. Kahit wala akong pasok, gabi pa rin yung live sessions. 7 to 9. 7 to 9 pa din. Mag-a-adjust lang siguro ako kung gusto ninyong umaga. Kasi wala naman akong trabaho nun sa morning. Kasi sa school, break na sa school eh. So yung isa ko naman job, wala naman time yon. Basta output-based lang siya. Wala siyang shifting. Kung anong, kunyari, magawa ko na yung task ko. Tapos i-report ko na yung task ko. Ganun lang. Kaya flexible na flexible talaga yung time ko. Yan. Okay. So do you have any more questions? I hope makapag-create kayo ng
Sir,
dashboards, no?
Apo. Sir,
Ano yan?
i-upload nyo rin po to, sir. Ano po?
Yes, of course. Sige, i-upload ko to. I-upload ko tong file natin na to. Yung gusto mo ba is yung final output na?
I mean yung tutorial po, yung video po ng live session. Para po
Yung
at least
video.
mabalikan po.
Yes, oo, lahat naman ng videos natin is ina-upload ko. Wala akong hindi ina-upload. Kahit nung una pang batch. Kahit yung mga mapapanood nyo dun, yung mga first batch pa na videos, lahat yun ina-upload ko naman. Wala naman tayong minimiss out. Yes, if the question is if I will be uploading this live session, yes, of course, i-upload natin to. Okay, anything else? Ano yun? Pero di naman extend. Ano yun? What do you mean? Same po. Regarding kanina. Yes, i-assignment ko pa rin tong dashboard na to if that's your Aljon. I-assignment ko pa rin to. Kasi actually kayo magbe-benefit nito eh. Pag pre-practice nyo to, tapos you created your own flavor of creating your own dashboard. Portfolio na to eh. I mean, it's for your own din. Kaya ako ginagawa siyang assignment. Yeah. Portfolio yung gusto kong ano ninyo. Ano na to, isa na to sa mga small milestones ninyo papuntang Power BI, no? Isa na rin tong, alam nyo ba, dati nag-a-apply ako ng job as data analyst. Puro dashboard ko, puro Excel lang eh. Wala naman akong Power BI noon. Pero ang in-applyan kong trabaho, Power BI. Natanggap pa rin ako. Oo. Lahat lang ng ano. Kasi hindi naman importante sa kanila kung Power BI yung software na pinakita mo sa kanila. Ang importante, they know that you can do the job. They know, may idea to sa dashboarding. Okay na to, pwede na to. Kasi the companies just wanted to know if you are worth to be risked at. Kasi lahat naman ng ine-employ ng company may kahalong risk yan eh. Ibig sabihin hindi nila talaga fully alam kung sino yung mas magaling, sino yung magaling na magaling. Malalaman lang nila yan sa productivity pag nag-work na talaga. Kaya yung process ng pagsaselect nila ng employee is based on performance pa rin. Pag nandun na kayo after 1 week, yung performance nyo, check. So, pag hindi kayo okay, nalilay off kayo, ganun. So, ganun siya. No? So, don't worry na wag niyong isipin yung mga ganong bagay. Ang isipin niyo is practice hanggang sa gumaling kayo, hanggang sa yung ginagawa ninyo na 1 hour na dashboard, nagagawa niyo na lang ng 20 minutes. Something like that. Ako, ito, kaya lang tayo tumatagal kasi binabasa ko pa yung sinasabi ko eh. Pero kung tahimik lang ako, tapos binibuild ko to, baka 20 minutes tapos ko na tong dashboard. No? Tapos, siguro, next review ulit, i-review ko pa para mas mapaganda pa siya. Kasi syempre, itong pinakita ko sa inyo, version 1 pa lang to. Ibig sabihin, pwede ko pa itong i-improve later. I-improve ko pa siya ng i-improve. Ganon. Alright. So, if we don't have any more questions, this video will be uploaded. And let's have a picture taking before we end the session. Okay, iba siguro. Nagki-Christmas party pa, no? Yan. Nasa na ba yung ating snipping tool? I suggest practicing sagutan ninyo rin yung mga practice guides, no? Yung mga nakalagay doon. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Thank you very much. See you again on our next week Power BI series. So good night everyone. Merry Christmas. No?
Thank you, sir. Merry Christmas po. Excited for our topics next week po.
Yeah. Power BI, maganda yan. Na maraming mapupulot doon sa Power BI regarding sa work. Thank you. Okay, post natin to sa